Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create TikTok Lite account. So if you also want to create TikTok Lite account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So TikTok Lite is a smaller, lighter version of the TikTok application. It is designed to use less data, storage and run more smoothly on devices with limited resources. That's why you might want to create the TikTok Lite account. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open TikTok Lite application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here TikTok Lite application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to create the account, simply tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for sign up. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find three options to sign up over here. You can either continue with Google, or you can also continue with Facebook, or you can also use the phone or email if you want. Simply tap on the option of your choice. If you want to use the phone or email, simply tap on the option use phone or email. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can either sign up with phone or email. If you want to sign up with phone, simply tap on the option phone. After that, you'll be able to enter the phone number over there. But if you want to sign up with email address, simply enter the email address. You can also check on this option, get trending content, newsletters, promotions, recommendations, and account updates sent to your email. After that, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to create the password for yourself. Simply enter your password over here. Your password must have 8 to 20 characters, letters, numbers and special characters. After you create the password for yourself, simply tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now a 6-digit code will be sent to your email. Simply open the Gmail application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here TikTok has sent me an email. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to the TikTok Lite application. Now enter that code over here. Now you can see over here your account will be created. So that is how you create TikTok Lite account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.